Today we are making sweet cornbread, and we have our ingredients here. We have 2 tablespoons of honey. We have 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We have a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We have 2 large eggs. We have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then for the rest of our ingredients, we have 1¼ cup of milk. We have a cup of all-purpose flour. We have a cup of cornmeal, a 1/2 cup of sugar. So what you want to do, you want to preheat your oven to 350. And then what we are going to do, we are going to combine our cornmeal and our flour and our sugar and our baking powder and salt. You're going to mix that in a bowl. And you're going to stir together all these ingredients. Okay, now that that's all combined, you want to combine your eggs, your vegetable oil, and your honey. And your 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And you want to mix all that together. Now you want to combine your dry and your wet together. Spray my pan. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread evenly. Now you want to bake this for 30 minutes. Anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes. Or until it begins to brown. So we're going to put it in the oven. Remove from the oven, let it cool for 10 minutes, then slice and serve with butter or a drizzle of honey. You have made sweet cornbread. Thank you for watching our channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.